All right, we have a storm moving in, but today I worked on this beautiful fall grave saddle. Let me show you how I made it. Okay, this is the grave saddle that I'm going to use, which I got from Hobby Lobby. Before I did get one from them and the foam was loose from the metal, and all that I did was glue it back on. This one is it's pretty solid, so I don't have to do anything with this one. But if you do happen to get one where the foam has come loose from the metal, just use some low heat glue and glue it back on. All right, let's take a look at what we're gonna use today. Beautiful, gorgeous sunflowers. Everything's from Hobby Lobby. So this number is F as in boy, B as in F as in boy, F as in Frank, B as in boy, 2602. It's $14.99 and of course 40% off. So we're gonna use those. I have some gorgeous stems, some leaves. We're gonna use those. Let's see what the number is on this. F as in Frank, F as in Frank, S as in Sam, 251. These are $10.99 each, and then the 40% off. We're gonna put in a pop of orange. This is F as in Frank, S as in Sam, 194. These are $4.99 each. And then I wanted to add in a pop of blue. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna add these in. If once I get it made, I don't like the look of it, I won't. But this is F as in Frank, B as in boy, R as in Robbie, Y as in your, 231, and these are $5.49 each. So let's get started. Okay, there's two more things I want to show you that you're gonna need. You're gonna need some good wire cutters. Probably gonna need some scissors to cut off the tags. And the other thing, if you've watched any of my other design videos, whether it's the grave saddles or other designs that I've done on my channel, I use a Pix machine. And I realize most people don't have a Pix machine, and you don't need one to be able to do this design. If you're not sure what a Pix machine is, right here there's a steel pick. And I will put the stem in there, it'll wrap the steel picks around it, and then I will just be able to put those right into the foam. Now, if you don't have a steel picks machine, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna leave your stems a little bit longer, and then just put a little bit of low heat glue on them before you stick them into your foam, and they'll stay there just as good. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, probably just put some music on, and then you can just kind of see how I make this. Okay, so what do you think about the blue, the pop of blue? Honestly, I would have loved to put more blue and more orange in it. I was trying to keep the price down and I spent right around $60 for the saddle and all of the contents that I used. So anyways, I hope that you've enjoyed this and I hope that this has inspired you. See you next time.